Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2022 Ford Ranger, or how to read its fuse box diagram? In this guide, we'll answer these questions to help you easily locate and understand the fuse box for your Ranger. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2022 Ford Ranger's engine compartment fuse box houses fuses and relays that protect essential components like the engine, cooling fans, headlights, and fuel system. It ensures safe electrical power distribution for these critical functions. Power distribution box, bottom. There are fuses on the bottom of the fuse box. Battery-mounted fuse link. Passenger compartment fuse box. Passenger compartment fuse box in the 2022 Ford Ranger manages and protects circuits for interior electrical components such as the power windows, interior lights, radio, and climate control system. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.